Good morning students. Today I will explain how to find the mode of a group data. Okay, this is the first problem in 14.2 exercise in statistics. Okay, how to find the mode of a data. This is the question. The following table shows the ages of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode. So you are given a table showing ages and number of patients. This is a group data and you have to find the mode for this group data. Okay, you know the mode of a group data can be calculated by using the formula mode z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay, this is the formula which is used to find the mode of a group data. Mode z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I will explain all these terms, no problem. But before that, to find the mode of a group data, first of all, we have to find the modal class. So, let us start the solution. Modal class. What is modal class? Without finding the modal class, we cannot find the mode of a group data. So, that is why this is very, very important. Modal class. What is modal class? The class with maximum frequency is called modal class. The class with maximum frequency. The class with maximum frequency is called modal class. See the frequencies. What is the maximum frequency here? 23 is the maximum frequency. Therefore, this class is called the modal class. So, you do one thing. You represent like this. Modal class. Okay. The class with maximum frequency is called modal class. So, this is the modal class. Immediately after finding the modal class, now you represent all these terms in the table. Here, F1 is the frequency of the modal class. Remember, F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F0 is the frequency preceding the modal class or above the modal class. F2 is the frequency below the modal class or succeeding the modal class. I am explaining again. After finding the modal class, identify F0, F1 and F2 in the frequency table. F1 means frequency of the modal class. F0 or F0 is the frequency above the modal class or preceding the modal class. F2 is the frequency below the modal class or succeeding the modal class. Okay. Next, H, size of the class. How to find the size of the class? The difference between any two successive lower limits or the difference between any two successive upper limits is called size of the class. Therefore, the difference between these two, how much? 15 minus 5, 10. So, size of the class is 10. I will write all these things later here. Next, what is L? L means lower boundary of the modal class. How to find the lower boundary of the modal class? First, let me write all these terms here and then I will explain lower boundary of the modal class. Okay. Here, maximum frequency is 23. This value appears in 35 to 45 class. Therefore, it is the modal class. Therefore, it is the modal class. Okay, next, H, size of the class. size of the class h is equal to 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10. Understand? Frequency of the model class f1 is equal to 23. Frequency above the model class f0 is equal to 21. Frequency below the model class or succeeding the model class f2 is equal to 14. In the examination you write f1 as frequency of the model class. Because of place problem I am not writing here. Okay. Next we have to find the lower boundary of the model class. How to find the lower boundary of the model class? See, the lower boundary of the model class is obtained by taking the average of the lower limit of the model class and upper limit of the above class. The lower once again I am repeating, the lower boundary of a model class is obtained by taking the average of the lower limit of the model class and upper limit of the above class. Okay. So L is equal to, I am writing here, L is equal to 35 plus 35 by 2. That is equal to 70 by 2. That is equal to 35. Okay. Now we know all the terms here. Now we substitute all these values in the formula. Mod Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. What is L? 35 plus F1 23 minus F0 21 by 2F1 2 into 23 46 minus F0 21 minus F2 14 into size of the class. How much size of the class here? 15 minus 5, 10. Okay, that is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21, 2 by minus 21 minus 14 minus 35. So plus 46 minus 35 plus 11 into 10. So that is equal to 35 plus 20 by 11. 20 by 11. 11 ones 11. 9.0. 11 eights 88. 2 0. 11 ones 11. And so on. So 1.81 is equal to, if you take another one means 11 eights. Okay. 1.8 to adjust. 35 plus 1.8. Add these two. 35 1.8. So 36.8. Okay. Therefore, mode of the data. Therefore, mode H. Mode of the data is equal to 36.8. Okay. Here, from this problem, you have learned for 8 marks. Why 8 marks means this question itself will be given for 4 marks. Okay. The question itself will be given for 4 marks. Next, what is model class? It is for 1 mark. What is model class? The class with maximum frequency is called model class. Next 1 mark question is how to find the lower boundary of a model class. The lower boundary of a model class can be obtained by taking the average of the lower limit of the model class and upper limit of the model class. Upper limit of the above model class. Next, that is for 1 mark. And for 2 marks, you will be asked the formula itself. Write the formula for mode of a group data and explain the terms in it. So that is 2 marks question. So total 8 marks. So if you learn this question, automatically you can score 8 marks. That's it for today.